y'all can see me, but I just got Dunkin'. I got the caramel craze iced latte, and then I got a croissant. But it's pretty out here. I'm about to go ahead and back to where I'm supposed to be at, which is my dad's job. So I'm gonna talk to y'all when I'm somewhere else. So yeah. Hey y'all, so I'm in the car right now, and I'm about to go to Jersey Mike's to get mama something to eat. But y'all, I wanted to tell y'all what was in my drink, well, what I got from Dunkin'. So y'all in here, cause I really talked to y'all when I was at Dunkin'. But I got sausage, egg, and cheese on a croissant. And when I say it was a 10 out of 10, it was good. And then with my drink, I got a small iced caramel craze latte. It was good. With 2 pumps of caramel swirl, 2% milk, whipped cream, caramel drizzle, and a thing of cinnamon. It was good. It was 10 out of 10. But we're about to go to we better go to Jersey Mike's. Then we're probably gonna go to a hair store. Oh my god, so watch what I want. And then I'm gonna talk to y'all when I'm doing something else. I need lip gloss for days. Like, I got these too. I'm in the hair store trying to get my stuff that I need for my hair appointment. What else do I need? Okay. To have my lace that's, yeah, laid down. I want a pink one. What's this? I don't know. But I need to hurry up. Probably get this one. Okay. Alright, y'all. So now I just need to get some lashes. Yeah, that's it.
Oh my gosh, Chloe. I be in a loop, she be in a group. Brody want a friend, don't have a loop. Turn something to nothing, bro, I'm living proof. How can I lose when we the ooze? Still running around with more, get ready, pack the go, yeah. People probably think I show up, I ain't even keep it yet. Running up a silly shit, staying off the internet. Should've stayed really honest, turning in a given time. Personal problems, pillow talking, cause I got rich without them. Only thing they should be saying is, baby, keep it silent. We ain't even keep it to used to be, this shit slick divided. Right, got no hustle or nothing, so he gon' stick divided. I be knowing the rundown, I'm doubting, so I can't speak about it. She don't want the things, and she love me, I pray to freak about it. Can't play with me, you know I.
Hey y'all, Angie left her camera. I don't know how to work it. I look a mess. But anyways, y'all F me. K-Conjum. Period. I'm always wanting to record on somebody's stuff. Okay, bye y'all, because I don't want to use up her storage. Hey y'all.
Not the monkeys in the background, not the monkeys in the background.
Not the monkey.
Not the monkeys in the background. I'm like, hey, I'm a YouTuber now, y'all.
This skin looks good on the camera.
Lace wear, baby. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Oh, 8%? Oh, okay. You move your head too much. Yeah. Don't piss me off. Don't piss me off. But yeah, baby. What about y'all?
Okay, I don't like all that public shit. Hey y'all. So I'm back. I just put my hair up because I'm about to get in the shower. But I'm about to put my lace band on. They still looking good for me. I gotta fix my edges though, cause so y'all, I'm dressed. I basically just got this top on from Shein, these leggings from Shein, and yeah. So she said we're gonna BJ's, so I guess we're gonna BJ's. I'm probably gonna be like, let's go to Target, because I do want to do like a cute little Target run in this video. I'll put my hair in a little claw clip, period. I'm about to, oh, I'm so oily, but I just put Aquaphor on my face. Let me put my socks on, and I'm just gonna chill. But yeah, that's it. I'm gonna see y'all when I get in the car. We're in BJ's. Y'all be always together. Like I told y'all earlier, me and Yasmin be everywhere around this whole, matter of fact, we probably done went around the whole goddamn city. Oh, the whole city. Where's them dumplings? I don't think they're over here. I'm looking for the dumplings. We in BJ.
We got shrimp and...
Yeah, the dumpling's not over here. What's up? Oh my, we coming in here. We coming in here for the Airbnb. But where's the dumplings? Like, I'm getting angry.
Back down that way.
Like, y'all, I have not seen no dumplings. Anyways, y'all, I gotta get my dad his Panda Express and drop it off to him. And he's where we go to school at for college. Hey y'all, so it's a new month. Y'all been gone for a minute off of YouTube. It's been 2 months since I posted my last video. But listen, I've been going through a lot. Senior year is hands down the most busiest year ever. It's like crunch time. Like, it's time to graduate. So y'all, I got a lot of news for y'all, but I'm gonna tell y'all slowly but surely. I have had the best month of Halloween. Like, when I tell y'all the best month of Halloween, it was the best month of Halloween. Like, I went to a Halloween party. I was staying at my homegirl house. It was just a whole lot of fun. Today it is November 3rd. Next month is Christmas. In this video, y'all be seeing an old video, but I will be blending the old video with this. And it's just gonna be a few clips. I don't know if I'm gonna make it a part 1 or a part 2. Like, this is gonna be like the part 1, and then the part 2 of today is gonna be like another video, or I just put it all in one video, you know, like drag it out, you feel me, because I do need to upload this video. I have a new hairstyle. Same girl did it. K Crown is the only girl that's gonna be touching my lace fronts, y'all. She ate so bad. But yeah, I hope y'all missed me. I gotta finish editing this video and go ahead and do my thumbnail, then getting back on my stuff. Basically, the end of this little rumbling rant. We got a lot going on today, and we're gonna enjoy today's video. I hope you guys enjoy it. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe to my channel. I've been talking for 4 minutes. I gotta get out the door. I gotta put on my pants. I gotta put on some shoes. I gotta put on a coat, and I'm sitting here talking. And it's 2:53. So yeah, y'all, I will see y'all when I'm back in the house, probably. I don't know, because I do need to edit this video, and I do need to do the thumbnail. That's about it. I'm gonna see y'all later. So he right here. Like, why he hit her, because I don't want to make him upset. So I'm gonna just let him think everything's okay, and then mommy get here, she gonna be like, Fefe, why you hit the little girl? And stuff like that. Hey y'all, so we about to get ready to go to Kickback Jack's, whatever. Oh, I want to show y'all my tattoo. That's what I forgot to show. I gotta get finished, but yeah, so we gotta get ready to go Kickback Jack's, and I'm just really about to put on some clothes because it's cold outside. So yeah, that's what I'm about to do. So I really just got on some stuff because we just going out to eat. It really ain't too much that we're doing tonight. I wet my hair and stuff. It looks kind of cute. I'm gonna wet it some more before we leave. But yeah, so yeah, we're going to get food. But yeah, I need to fix my face with makeup over. I'm gonna just talk to y'all when we're going to Kickback Jack's. I look a mess, but hey y'all, so that was basically the end of this video. I just needed to extend the video a little more. I will not be going long, like I promise. Y'all, I'll probably record Monday morning as a high school student, or waking up at 7 o'clock in the morning getting ready for school, something like that. I'll record a new video. But that's basically the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video.